Hello everyone, how are you all? I am good. I hope all are you fine. From this video, I will discuss about the bit on the certain topics. In this video, we will discuss about the Gymnosperms bits, multiple choice questions. From this video, for our convenience, let us discuss about the bits. Divide these bits into two parts. In this first part, bits on only the Gymnosperms external characters as well as internal characters also. Let we start the discuss about the bits. All of you listen carefully. Try to give answers. Try to something in this session. First question: Gymnosperms. Gymnosperms word introduced by whom? Option A, Theophrastus. Option B, Robert Brown. Option C, Robert Hooke. Option D. Now answer is Theophrastus. Why? Because Gymnosperms word first introduced by the Theophrastus and published in his book, that is Inquiry into Plants. This word is then going to the second question, that is the naked seeded plants. What are the naked seeded plants in following option? Option A, angios. Option B, Gymnosperms. Option C, pteridophyte. And option D, bryophytes. Now answer is naked seeded plants. Seeds without seed. Answer is option B, that is Gymnosperms. Next question is algal zone. Algal zone is character of transverse section of plant. In which plant? We have to observe the algal zone in the one gymnospermic plant's transverse section. Yes. What is that plant? In option A, Cycas coralloid roots. Option B, Cycas normal roots. Option C, Neetum roots. Option D, Cycas stem. Now answer is Cycas coralloid roots. Okay. Why? Because in Cycas coralloid roots, algal, blue-green algae is present, living as symbiotic association. So answer is Cycas coralloid roots. Going to the fourth question, that is the fruits are not formed in following plants. Fruits are not formed in a plant kingdom. What is that? Option A, monocots. Option B, dicots. Option C, gymnosperms. Option D, none of the above. Answer is absolutely gymnosperms. Why? Because there is no fruits formation in the gymnosperms. Already I said in the before questions explain about this topic, only naked seeds are present. That means without seed coat. Seed coat means there is no fruits, only seeds are present in the gymnosperm. In this answer is gymnosperm. Going to the fifth question, that is a nitrogen fixing cyanobacteria found in coralloid roots of Cycas revoluta. Already before question I told about this topic, that is the coralloid roots. In which plant coralloid roots having the symbiotic association? Yes, in this question a nitrogen fixing cyanobacteria found in coralloid roots of Cycas revoluta is. What is the cyanobacteria? What is the nitrogen fixing cyanobacteria? Answer is anabina. This is one type of the blue-green algae, nothing but cyanobacteria. Going to the next question, that is gymnosperms differ from pteridophytes in following character. Mostly already explained, we known about the gymnosperm character in the before videos under the gymnosperm general characters. Mostly gymnosperms plants are similar as the pteridophytes in some characters but differ some character. Here this question is gymnosperms are differ from the pteridophytes in which character? Option A, sporangia arrangement into groups. Sporangia arrangement. Sporangias are arranged as a groups. Option B, absence of the neck canal cells. Option C, motile sperms. Male gametes are motile along with cilia. Okay. Option D, suspensor formation. Now answer is absence of the neck canal cells. Answer is absence of the neck canal cells. Okay. Why? Because in reproduction of the gymnosperms of archegonia, in the ovule structure 1 or 2 archegonia are present. Yes, 1 or 2 archegonia are. In this archegonia only neck cells, lid cells and egg cells are present, but there is no neck canal cells in the gymnosperms female gametophyte. Okay, so this answer is absence of the neck canal cells in the gymnosperms. In this character gymnosperms are differ from from the pteridophytes. Okay, then phanerogams. Phanerogams means flowering plant. Phanerogams without ovaries are in following options. Phanerogams without ovaries. Without ovaries, phanerogams are present. What are the phanerogams? Answer is gymnosperm. Okay, because lack of ovaries, that's why there is no fruit formation in the gymnosperms. Yes, so answer is gymnosperms. Then going to the next question, that is the gymnosperms are referred to as naked seed bearing plants. Why? Because absolutely there is no seed coat and lack of ovaries. Ovaries are absence of the ovaries. Seeds, naked seed bearing plants. What is the question? Gymnosperms are referred to as naked seeded plants because option A, they lack ovule. Option B, they lack of ovaries. Option C, no seed coat. Option D, the embryo is protected. Answer is they lack ovaries. They lack ovaries. Okay, then next question. Gymnosperms do not include. Gymnosperms do not include. This question observed in the distribution of the general characters of gymnosperms. For more information, once you will check the gymnosperms general characters part 1. Okay, then gymnosperms do not include habitat. Do not include either shrubs. Option A, shrubs. Option B, herbs. Option C, trees. Option D, both A and B. Option A, shrubs. Option B, herbs. Option C, trees. Option D, both A and B. Answer is herbs. Why? Because already in gymnosperms general characters we discussed only shrubs and trees are present in the gymnosperm. Rarely woody lions are present. The example is Netamula. I discussed about that top. Going to the next question, that is coralloid roots of dash have symbiotic association. This question is repeatedly so many times in different ways. Okay, coralloid roots of dash plant have symbiotic association. Absolutely answer is cycas. Okay, answer is. Then going to the next question, it's very most important question, also observed in the general characters of the vegetative plant pods under the leaf morphological character, that is the sarcinate venation. Sarcinate, commonly it is the pteridophytic characters, but it's also observed in the gymnosperms. Sarcinate venation is found in young leaves of dash gymnospermic plant. Sarcinate venation is found in young leaves of the dash gymnospermic plant. Option A, fern. Option B, lycopodium. Option C, cycas. Option D, pinus. Answer is cycas. Once check the part 1 video, gymnosperms part 1 video. In that video, I clearly in detail explanation about the sarcinate venation as a note, and I shown one picture, that is the sarcinate venation of the young leaves. Answer is that. Going to the next question, that is the cycas coralloid roots contain. Already so many times we remember this. Cycas coralloid roots contain option A, cyanobacteria. Option B, blue green algae. Option C, green algae. Option D, both B and A. I mean cyanobacteria and also blue green algae. Cyanobacteria, another name is blue green algae. Yes, so that's why answer is option D, both A and B. Okay, then next question, 13th question, which of the following gymnosperm has unbranched stem? This is about the stem external character. Gymnosperms are either branched or unbranched. Yes, and most of the gymnospermic plants are branched. These branches are divided into two types. Those are the unlimited long shoots and limited short shoots. Yes, this is clearly observed in the pinus plants. But in this question, gymnosperms, which plants are unbranched stem? Option A, pinus. Option B, cedrus. Option C, cycas. Option D, neeta. We shown these pictures in the gymnosperm general characters. In complete in these plants, answer is absolutely cycas. Why? Because neetum is branched, cedrus also branched, pinus also branched. So unbranched stem is cycas. Answer is cycas, option C. Then going to the 14th question, companion cells are present. Commonly companion cells are present instead of the companion cells. Which cells are occur in the gymnosperms? Instead of the companion cells, commonly companion cells are present in the phloem. Okay, internal structures of the vesicular bundles, phloem consisting the companion cells. But in gymnosperms, instead of the companion cells, which cells are present? Option A, sieve cells. Option B, parenchymatous cells. Option C, albuminous cells. Option D, none of the above. Answer is albuminous cells. Okay, then going to the next question, that is vessels are absent in the gymnosperms except in the following order. Commonly in xylem vessels are present, but in gymnosperms except of only one order, remaining plants do not containing the vessels. Only one order has consisting the vessels. What is that order? Option A, nettles. Option B, coniferales. Option C, cycadales. Option D, benititales. Answer is nettles. Only nettles order has vessels in the xylem structure. Except of these nettles, there is no vessels in other orders of the gymnosperm. Then next question, what is the wood type of the cycas? Option A, monoxylic. Option B, diploxylic. Option C, polyxylic. Option D, pycnoxylic. I explained about the monoxylic and pycnoxylic differentiation, a small differentiation through the 4 characters. Yes, coniferales and cycadales. Cycadales is example to the monoxylic. Coniferales is example to the coniferal. Pycnoxylic. Yes. So in this, the wood of cycas is answer monoxylic. Monoxylic is wood of the cycas. Okay. Then next question, it's very most important question. Armed parenchyma. Armed parenchyma. This is the arm. Armed parenchyma. It's also known as pleccate parenchyma. Armed parenchyma is present in following plants. Okay. Option A, pinus foliage leaf transverse section. Option B, pinus stem transverse section. Option C, pinus needle transverse section. Option D, both A and C. Okay. In this options, pinus foliage leaves also known as needle. Why? Because these are in needle-like structure, sharply needle-like structure. That's why pinus leaves, foliage leaves also known as needles. So armed parenchyma is present in the occurs in the pinus foliage leaf transverse section. So foliage leaves also known as needle. Yes. So answer is both A and C. Pinus foliage leaf as well as needle transverse section. Okay. Due to the presence of these armed parenchyma, what is the advantage to the plant? Photosynthesis is heavily. Why? Because this parenchyma is infolding towards the cell's inner side. So photosynthesis is heavily in distribution. Then going to the next question, that is the what are the following features under the xerophytic characters in pinus leaf anatomy? Option A, transfusion tissue. Option B, sunken stomata. Option C, sclerenchyma. Option D, all the above. Once again, question, what are the following features under the xerophytic characters in the pinus leaf anatomy? In pinus leaf anatomy, this leaf shows some xerophytic characters as well as hydrophytic characters also. What are the xerophytic characters of the pinus leaf? Option A, transfusion tissue. Option B, sunken stomata. Option C, sclerenchyma. And option D, all the above. In this, answer is already we known about this topic in the general character gymnosperm. Okay, transfusion tissue is present, sunken stomata as well as sclerenchyma. These characters are belongs to the xerophytic character of the pinus leaf. Okay, so answer is option D, all the above. Next question, the wood of pinus. The wood of pinus. Already told before question. about this topic, that is monoxylic and pycnoxylic wood. Okay, monoxylic wood example is cycas, pycnoxylic wood example is pinus. Okay, now question is the wood of pinus. The wood of pinus. What is the wood of the pinus? Option A, monoxylic. Option B, diploxylic. Option C, polyxylic. Option D, pycnoxylic. Answer is pycnoxylic wood. Okay, answer is pycnoxylic wood. This is the answer. Then going to the last question, that is it's very interesting question also. Dendrochronology. What is dendrochronology? Dendrochronology is A. Option A, determination of age of tree by counting the annual ring. Option B, determination of nature of the annual rings. Option C, study of seasonal behavior of plants. Option D, study of extinct plants. Now answer is dendrochronology means study of age of plants through the two woods. Those are the early wood and also late. Okay, so answer is option. Okay, dendrochronology is a determination of age of tree by counting the annual rings by the two woods. Two woods as a ring, those are the early wood and late wood. These two rings resemblance, these two rings represents as a annual ring of the plant. So through this technology we have to calculate the plant's age. The study about the plant age is known as dendrochronology. In this session part 1 bits are included in the Gymnosperms general characters of the introduction, distribution and anatomical as well as external characters of the gymno. Thank you for watching and listening this session. Thank you all.